Hello traders, this is Air Zeros and I wanted to record today's recap on August 22nd. I did trade just a Tesla and I want to just give you a brief recap that how did I trade. So as we know, Tesla was on under pressure for a few days, and if you see the daily chart, you will see that the last 2 days Tesla bounced. First, it made the indecision of the doji, and then it bounced on the gap up. And then second day today was the gap up all the way to the 240. So when we go back and look at the daily chart, 5 minute chart, what I did basically, I find out the key levels based on the pre-market. So if you look at the pre-market, this was a pre-market high around the 241.50. This was around the base created around 8 o'clock, which is around 238.76. And then this is the first candle of the opening, which is 236. And then we can see this is after hours from the previous day, some price action. So my plan is to see that how does the price react to this level, and if I get a chance I will just gonna play with the bounce on it. So if you go back to the 1 minute chart, and I'm gonna show you how did I trade. And if you see the first 1 minute chart, uh, you know, sorry, if you see the first minute chart, the price fell with the volume here, around 2 million shares been sold. This is a key level we have noticed on the pre-market. Price bounced on it. I see the bounce over here. I make an entry. I didn't take the partial yet. I was waiting for to see that whether I can see I get the momentum. I see again the sell-off retested the previous level. Once I see it's bouncing back again, I added into my position. I took the partial, and when I see the prices dropping back again, I took the partial, almost closed the trade. On the breakdown, I went short, but I was thinking, should I short it or no? I was not very clear on it, so I basically closed the position. But I think this was a good shot if I have continued it. I tried the long here again on the 236 on the other level when it's bouncing, but it rejected that level and then I stopped out. I again see this was the pre-market low around the 235.25. When I see is this bouncing, making a doji here, I basically went to the position, took the partial, I added into it, took some partial here. I again see is making a 1 minute flag. I add into the position, partials and partial all the way here. I see again it made the doji with the one more push up. I entered into I entered here, and then I took the partials all the way to the VWAP. That is close to 10 o'clock, and then I think I've traded few more trades here when I see that it bouncing back again on that level. So when I see again the price move back again on the pre-market low, I entered here, I added into my position, I took some partial all the way off. I add into position, but I see the price is dropping back again, so I stopped out. When I see back again the price is moving back up at, you know, I went long again, but I felt like the momentum was dying down, is making some dojis here. So I just stopped out and I didn't trade anymore. And I think I'm glad that I stopped out, because if you look at it here, you will see that price just fell. So it was a good decision that I just stopped out. Hope you have enjoyed the recap, and give me your feedback if you like it. And if you want to see more of those videos, please let me know.